Have you ever wondered about the one thing that could change your life for the better? Life can be tough, and we all face our share of problems and challenges. What if I told you there's a solution that could bring peace, abundance, and joy into your life? It's called the Divine Prayer, and it's here to bless your soul and attract abundance. With the Divine Prayer, you'll receive a 1-minute prayer, a full manuscript with instructions, a 100% satisfaction guarantee, a 100% refund policy, 24/7 priority support. But wait, there's more. When you get the Divine Prayer, you'll also receive these incredible free bonus gifts. A digital program, instant download, that can transform your mind and creativity. Another digital program, instant download, that reveals the secrets to health, fitness, and vitality. And all of this can be yours for just $67. But you need to act fast. The Divine Prayer is a limited time offer, and we can't guarantee it will be available forever. So, if you're ready to transform your life, click the link below to visit our official website. Don't miss this opportunity to experience the miracles of the Divine Prayer and change your life for the better. Thank you for watching, and take the first step towards a brighter, more abundant future. Get the Divine Prayer now. Your 100% satisfaction is guaranteed with our money-back guarantee. If for any reason you're not happy with your purchase, remember, your investment is protected for a full 90 days.